Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Guillermo, for this award. This really never gets old, and I'm just really thrilled because I'm standing beside one of our icons in the industry, Bossing. Maraming salamat po. Pangarap pa rin to hanggang ngayon. Hindi po rin ako makapaniwala na I get to share the stage with you. And of course, a movie that we did last year. Maraming salamat po sa aming producers, of course, from APT, MZ, and MQuest na naniwala po sa istorya, our visionary director, Direct Mike Tuviera, lahat po ng teams namin, ng mga produksyon na bumuo po ng The Kingdom at naniwala sa proyektong ito. Sa inyo po, kasi kung wala po tayong audience na nanonood, wala po tayong pelikula. So sana po, let's keep the fire burning. And